There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. So, how's everybody doing this morning? Beautiful green day again. This week has been lovely. Hope everybody's doing all right. Screwed up that sponsor spot. Doge Lord's gonna kill me because it's still set for the Aeon Poker Tournament one. So I was gonna say I was prepared for this Saturday, but clearly I wasn't. That was the one thing I didn't change back over. So anyways, my mic was having trouble. Sorry for the issues, technical difficulties. Got something cool. Got some more backlighting, I guess you could say. My name is Vega. The channel is SerpentX Special Forces. This is a weekly stream that we do every Saturday where we talk about cryptocurrency mining news while drinking a caffeinated drink. This is my signature drink, NOS. I am not sponsored by them, but NOS, feel free to hit me up. I welcome you to join me in a caffeinated drink. It is morning time for most of us. In other parts of the country, like Crypto Noob, he's in the UK, maybe not so much. So drinking caffeine before bed, maybe not a good idea. But if it's morning, please, I encourage you to drink some caffeine with us. Definitely been a good week for mining profits. I know all the bulls are going crazy and expecting Bitcoin to continue to rise, right? But all I care about is how is my mining profits, and they're looking pretty good. I got one rig pulling about $20 a day now, or close to $20 a day, and then the other rigs are just focused on other projects. This video that we're currently streaming is... Dude, Son of a Tech posts some crazy stuff. I gotta comment on this. Hang on. Man, that distracted me. Mid-show. I'm probably gonna get demonetized for this. Mid-live stream. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I just changed tabs. I just changed tabs for a split second just to make sure that my tweet went out. And this is what I saw from Son of a Tech. Dude, I'm trying to do something here, man. You're messing me up. Alright, I took it off real quick, so if you missed it, I'm sorry. I expect a pullback on Bitcoin. I mean, we got to pull back. There's no way structurally that we can support this. We're playing Jenga, and it's not going to work in our favor, so. Anyways. We're doing a holiday giveaway. $5 each of Ethereum. There's going to be 5 winners. And to participate, I'm going to post it in the live chat right now. And hopefully you guys are on a computer. But comment on this video that I link. You want to post what GPU you think is the best. A singular GPU, not multiple. And give me your best GPU. Add a hashtag phrase that you see in there. And then your ETH address. Try to separate it if you can. And we're going to pick some winners later on. Mikkel, if you want, go ahead and copy that. Or Nefarious, copy that and post it every now and then throughout the show. I'll go ahead and post it again. So you're going to comment on this video. Best GPUs for mining crypto in 2020, 2021. And you're going to post what you think is the best GPU for mining right now. Single GPU. Hashtag, you see it there. I'm not going to say it out loud. Copy it if you want to. Trying to avoid bots here and scammers. And then your ETH address. But got a lot to go through. It's 11:57. Started a little bit early today. Only 7 of y'all hanging out, so let me say good morning everybody real quick. Crypto Noob, I saw you in here. Always lurking. Alright, well, handle your Skype call. Do your business. I'm also on call as well. I just handled an exec early this morning. So Handle your business. Don't get in trouble. Vitalik, my Buterin, always good to see you. Swamp7, what's up, buddy? Crypto Mikkel, Nefarious. Chancoin. You know, Max Voltage has been hitting me and Chancoin up in our Discord, or in my Discord. Had some legitimate questions or concerns regarding a computer build, and I thought it was pretty interesting. I always like doing that and thinking outside the box. He did a good job. Hopefully Max Voltage will stop by. As a matter of fact, I should be sharing this on freaking Discord and stuff. But Discord drives me crazy with all the notifications. So let me know how your profits are doing this this current week. Rabid Mind, thank you for stopping by. Links aren't working. Wow. Why aren't the links working? Alrighty then. That sucks. Why can't... Interesting. That's some BS, dude. Why would they do that? Okay, well, I'll find out another way to do it. If I have to, I'll use Twitter, but Twitter will get a whole bunch of scam artists. So anyways, let's get on with the show. That kind of sucks. Why would YouTube... All links in chat are being blocked. Can't post links anymore. That is some BS. Well, I mean, if you go... that sucks. Why would you do that? Hang on. Let's try something else. Yeah, sure enough. Okay. Interesting. Alright, I don't want to take up too much of your time trying to deal with this stupid YouTube problem. But I do want to try to get... Might figure it out and hang on to it for... There we go. You can't do it in studio. Alright, so I just posted the link again, but this time I did it, instead of in my live YouTube studio, I did it through, like I went to my video and did it. Post in description. Okay. I posted it, so I went, tell me if that link works for you guys. I posted it in the live chat, but not in my YouTube studio. I'll post it in the live description right now. All right. Let me go ahead and do everything I need to. Okay. So, ETH Giveaway. But let me know if that works. I'm about to check back with you guys right now. Follow the instructions. Alright, it still didn't work. Alright, so it's in the description. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. YouTube's always... You know what? YouTube is like... You're about to get... You know, you're about to get some. And then here comes your friend with armor and shield. Just blocking. Just blocking. That's what YouTube does. Every time. I swear to God. Anytime. Anyways, on-chain data suggests more institutions are buying Bitcoin over the counter, OTC. Again, if you just joined the stream, check the description, follow the instructions towards the top there of if you want to enter the giveaway. I'm giving away $5 of Ethereum per person, so that's 5 times 5, that's 25. Check it out in the description because YouTube is being dumb. Alright, so despite Bitcoin trading near all-time highs, more institutions continue to buy Bitcoin. And they're using over-the-counter OTC trading firms to keep their purchases from impacting the overall market. Large institutions usually trade through the OTC market. That way, their transactions won't move prices the way that it would had the investors use even the largest centralized exchanges. One reason that causes or the case in OTC transactions These guys do not know how to... Am I reading that wrong or they're not typing right? One reason that is the case in OTC transactions are also much more opaque compared with trades on exchanges. Without transparent data on OTC transactions, it is difficult to track or gauge this side effect of the crypto market. However, 3 different metrics monitored by blockchain analytics from CryptoQuant provide an idea of what's happening in the crypto OTC market and could give clues that in coming weeks and months, more large institutions may come out to disclose their Bitcoin positions. So, we're playing Jenga. We're going straight up. Well, pretty much straight up. That's like a half pipe. You know, the quarter pipe isn't as steep, but a half pipe is very steep. And getting up it can be a little bit hard. And momentum is eventually going to bring us down. How far down is good to know. Matter of fact, what would be a 30% pullback? Thinking about this right now. What would be a 30% pullback from where we are right now? $16K. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Just look at that. Just straight up. When a massive Bitcoin outflow takes place on Coinbase Pros, it tends to go to Coinbase owned cold wallet for custody that holds 6,000 to 8,000 BTC, according to King Young Young, chief executive of CryptoQuant. For example, a closer look at the spike in Bitcoin outflow that took place on December 12th shows that between 8,000 and 15,000 were moved out of Coinbase Pro to other cold wallets. An implication of OTC deals. Coinbase custody is directly integrated with Coinbase OTC desk, meaning that its clients can leverage the OTC desk without having to move funds out of cold storage. Both MicroStrategy and British investment firm Roofer has revealed that their purchases of hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin were facilitated by Coinbase. Another metric, the fund flow ratio for all exchanges, have gone down since the market sell-off in March. This is the ratio of network transaction volume of exchanges compared to the entire cryptocurrency transferred on the network. A low number means fewer transactions that are done on exchanges and are instead conducted outside exchanges such as over-the-counter. So, in essence, these institutions are using OTC because they don't want to influence the market in a negative way or in a dramatic way, so to speak. Plus, they may not want to reveal their positions, how much, all those banks and institutions that were talking crap about Bitcoin, now that they're in it, probably don't want to reveal that they're actually in it. So we'll have to see. Let me check chat. So, I wonder what this is going to mean for Red Panda Mining. Because he usually does stuff like this on YouTube and he links stuff in the live chat. Let me see if you guys wrote to me. Okay, so it still didn't work. You will have to accept all comments with addresses as well. Refreshed. Only 2 of the 10 comments last night posted with the address in them. Had to do the rest myself. That's very strange. So I wonder why YouTube took that away. We're going to continue moving forward, and if need be, there will be another way. I don't really want to post stuff on Twitter because you know how crazy that gets with all the bots and crazy people. But I do want to do some type of holiday giveaway. If it's not this Saturday, guys, it would be the following Saturday. Hopefully YouTube will do it. All right, so some people are posting on the vid. All right, good. Litecoin, Dogecoin, and large market cap altcoins rally as Bitcoin price hits 2.38K. And right now we just hit 24. Yeah. Sorry. Litecoin and Dogecoin. Doge? It's the Deutsch. Dogecoin. No, Litecoin and Dogecoin are rallying strongly as Bitcoin fights to stay above the 23.8K barrier. Many analysis says the surge in large cap altcoins is directly connected to Bitcoin's price action, and historical data shows that the two tend to move in tandem with Bitcoin goes through its bull and bear cycles. As altcoins begin to show signs of newfound momentum, traders are becoming even more confident in the strength of the Bitcoin trend. Throughout December, altcoins stagnated against Bitcoin, particularly as BTC struggled to break out of the 18K to 19.4K range, which it has done and done well. But this was in an environment plagued by low volume, which is very true, right? Look at the volume compared to before. And I'm on the daily. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. And if you hear any dings or anything like that, like I said, I'm working, so technically I'm working. 16, 18. Yeah, so the volume was low compared to before, or compared to now. Historically, after a major Bitcoin rally, altcoins that existed in 2011 to 2014 tend to surge. These cryptocurrencies include the likes of Litecoin, Dogecoin, and XRP. I wonder how many people from TikTok are feeling pretty proud of themselves for scamming everybody into getting Dogecoin. I know it's not as high as they want it to be, or what they were saying, imagine if it hit $1, blah, 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 but I'm just saying, I wonder if they're kicking themselves. One of the major reasons behind the altcoin rally is volume. Traders like to pump up altcoins, causing the volume to spike within a short period and fuel massive volatility. Litecoin, as an example, rallied by over 57% in the past 7 days. In the same period, Bitcoin rose by 34% despite surpassing 23.8. Since its launch, the go-to argument in favor of Litecoin was that it could act like silver if Bitcoin becomes gold 2.0, Wang said. If you're new to crypto, bought Bitcoin, and are wondering which crypto asset is silver to Bitcoin's gold, it's not Litecoin, it's ETH. The other day, Paul Tudor Jones used an interesting analogy from the metals world to categorize crypto assets. There are precious crypto, and there are industrial cryptos. BTC is precious. ETH is industrial. LTC is neither. Now, I don't know, man. I was on the Litecoin hype train. I was all about Litecoin. I got a few of them, and unfortunately, for my friend who bought Litecoin in the hundreds of dollars, now is his best chance to get out. So, my friend, if you're watching this, you might want to go ahead and get out while you can. Litecoin has very strong fundamental factors that could cause the market sentiment around it to improve. For instance, Litecoin team is enabling Mimblewimble, a privacy solution initially designed for Bitcoin. However, these fundamental factors are not significant enough to fuel the 57% rally in the week. The primary reason behind the abrupt rally of large cap altcoins is likely a volume play by high net worth investors and traders looking to make a quick buck in like the aftermath of the Bitcoin rally. Most of these articles are in the description, by the way, guys, if you want to check it out. Like this one right here, the 5 key metrics of Signal Ethereum price is ready to make a new 2020 high. I'm not going to read all this to you guys because I don't want to bore you like I am already. But I want to get ETH above 700. I really do. Profits are looking pretty good. So hashtag ETH 2021, because I'm expecting ETH to take off in 2021. I mean, we're coming up on ETH 2.0. I know a lot of us miners don't like the fact that ETH 2.0 is coming, and that means that proof of work is no longer going to be a valuable option. We're going to have to move our AMD rigs to maybe another type of ETH hash, Dagger hash, algo type coin. But as it switches to proof of stake, I believe that the scarcity and the value of ETH is going to go up, increasing the price. So we won't be able to mine it anymore, but we'll see. right, so ETH price might have had a disappointing week after its price failed to hold a 600 level, but the fundamentals of the network and cryptocurrency remain solid. Traders also know for having short memories, so it's worth traders are known for having short memories. That's funny. So it's worth mentioning that Ether's price is still 45% higher than it was in the previous month. The chart above, this one right here, the chart above shows just how strong the growth of transactions and transfers were in late November when ETH price was trying to break its 600 top. Although there has been a significant drop in the indicator, it signals that the current 550 price level is in line with the blockchain activity. Exchange withdrawals increase. Increasing withdrawals from the exchanges can be caused by multiple reasons, including staking, yield farming, and buyers sending coins to cold storage. Meanwhile, a steady flow of net deposits indicates that there is willingness to sell them in the short term. I know a lot of people, at least a lot of people that I know, are holding their ETH because they either are signed up to be a validator or are a validator with the ETH 2.0 oncoming staking protocol. But this is the transactions, the orange line, transactions, 5-day average, and then the price. And you can see basically people are moving their funds, and you should be doing that anyways. Don't keep your funds on an exchange, but you should be moving it to where you can make a great move or capital. ETH right now, let's see here. Let's see what ETH's doing. I like to compare against BTC, not USD, but some people care more about USD. So let's take a look at this. We can expect a pullback for sure. Okay. And if we did pull back, it would still be in the 600 range, so we're good. We're good. I don't see ETH going anywhere, and I don't see Bitcoin going anywhere. So if anything, keep mining, keep thriving, and we'll be fine. This 13 is going to become support. Even if we fall back right now, we would only hit, you know, the low 23Ks. If we fell back right now, unless we just blast through that and some whale just dumped on us, so we should be good for a little bit. Hey, Max Voltage, dude, good job on the fans on your case, the Leon Lee case. I got a letter here from the NiceHash CEO that I haven't read yet, but I wanted to read it with you guys. It is 12:16 p.m. where I'm at right now. We'll start in about 15 minutes. I've been trying to do something, Max Voltage, because you just joined us, and that's where I have people comment on a video, but it wasn't working for some reason. Like, I can't, if I post it, it won't work. It's this video right here on my channel, best GPUs for mining crypto in 2020, 2021. I'm asking people to comment on there. I mean, I can post it in live chat, but it's not going to work. The link's not going to work. But you need to comment on there. Post a single GPU that you think is the best for mining. And then add the phrase or hashtag ETH 2021 and your Ethereum address. So if you can somehow get to that video without losing me, great. If not, I don't know why YouTube's doing that. But let's see. If I click. Yep, still not working. Man, YouTube, always changing stuff. Nefarious. Alright, so let's check out this letter from the CEO. Has anybody read this yet? Dear NiceHash users, mining enthusiasts, and entire cryptocurrency community, the year is slowly coming to an end. The year brought many hard and sad moments worldwide, and a year where good news was rare. Nevertheless, we are proud we could get one of the good news to our users in cryptocurrency industry. As of December 16th, 2020, we were able to fully reimburse all users affected by the security breach in December of 2017. At the time, our company became the victim of a large theft in Slovenian history. Slovenian. Still, unknown criminals stole 4,640 bitcoins from our users, worth about $55 million at the time and over $100 million today. At the time, many tried to convince us that there was no solution for us. A flock of various consultants and experts began circulating us, persistently telling us that our story was over. Everybody started offering us different ways to shut down the company most elegantly and make the most of a collapse, but we didn't listen to them. We have started hard in a long-lasting fight for every penny of our users. We couldn't know if we were going to make it, but we knew we had a duty to try. It is not just because of everyone who trusts us, but also because we believe in what we do. We represent the technology that is changing our lives for the better. We have become the platform that has brought the world of cryptocurrency mining closer to the broadest audiences. We started to reimburse the damage gradually. We transferred every amount we didn't need for bare survival to our users' account. In the last 3 years, we have regularly waived profits, but we did not regret it, as it heralds the beginning of a new era of growth and development for us. We don't owe anyone anything anymore. We have fully settled all taxable tax liabilities, and 4,640 bitcoins are again in users' accounts. We are free. We are immensely grateful to all of you who had not lost confidence in us, and when it would be the easiest thing to do, lost confidence in us when it would have been the easiest thing to do. We believe in our honesty, and you trusted our promise to give you back everything that we lost. Above all, it's our ability to keep our promise. The NiceHash team put everything into this fight: time, money, innovation, creativity. It can hardly describe my colleagues' pride, who did not give up even for a moment in providing top services to our users. I hope they realize how sincerely I am grateful to all of them. I am thankful for the sacrifices, energy, and optimism the team brings to the office every day, again and again. Special thanks also to the author of our platform, Majits. Was the first and most persistent to reject any thought of stopping NiceHash, the world's largest platform for computing power. Mediation was his vision. When he knew how to realize, even when others thought we were gone, he was ready to design the safest and most reliable platform of his kind. We are entering a new and better year. I believe that it will be a year of relaxed conversations, warm hugs, as well as safe, profitable, and reliable investments in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. On behalf of the entire NiceHash team, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. So, the other day, I posted a tweet. Let me see if I can find it. I posted a tweet where I was like, what the heck? Where is it at? Nope. Alright. I guess I did it on my other account. Anyways, I posted a tweet like, hey, where did this money come from? And I'm not sure if it was from the NiceHash repayment program, which I'm assuming it was. It was a few days late. They said December 16th. But I randomly got like $42 from somebody. So, I guess they're done. Are you forgiving of NiceHash? Are you using NiceHash? Let me know in the live chat. Oh man. Rapid mining. Anyone feel like helping set up Discord later? Got the server made, but bots and channels as well as permissions settings not my familiar. Yeah. Rapid mining, don't ask me. Because I have not set up any of that. I've done some simple if this then that type stuff, but my Discord channel's new and I do not have all these bots and rewards and automated systems in there right now. Crypto market paying everybody for being a shitty year. Yeah. Okay. Unknown actors, says Techman. Yeah, unknown actors. You know who it was, NiceHash. Don't lie. You know who took your money. That's why everybody calls them NiceHack. But they have rebuilt their reputation, all right, guys? They have rebuilt their reputation. All right? They had some bad apples within the company. They're gone, and they're trying to rebuild. And NiceHash is the go-to for new users. And Hive OS is even supporting, mining with NiceHash and stuff like that. So NiceHash is the go-to, even if you're trying to complete a 51% attack, other than mining rig rentals. So yeah. Yeah, I mine directly to I mine ETH directly, or I mine direct projects, or I mine directly to different projects. Raven Coin, Swap, Firo, which was Zcoin previously, NiceHash. Every now and then, it's good to get on NiceHash, because what happens is you can take advantage of the fact that somebody overpaid for something, right? So somebody wants the users to mine Ethereum. This is how much they're going to pay. And because they want that top spot at a fixed rate, they're going to pay a little bit higher than the next guy. And sometimes they overpay for something. And on that moment, I'm just like, sure, I'll take it. Here's my hash rate. This is what I'm doing. You have fun with that. But it's all about 24/7 uptime. If you keep your rigs 24/7 up, then you're doing good. Coinbase files for historical IPO amid Bitcoin surge. So Coinbase, just to summarize this for you, I'm about to read some stuff, but in short, Coinbase is trying to become a tradable company on the stocks. So I think that might be a good thing for us, miners, as it's going to continue to legitimize blockchain and cryptocurrencies in the world. I think it might be a stock worth investing, but that is not financial advice, and they may go under in a few years. So do not trust somebody that's telling you this, on the internet, because that is where I am right now. I am on the internet. I am not in my room. I am a figment of your imagination, somewhere, zeros and ones, going through some routers and some firewalls and some switches. That's all I am. I don't even exist. I'm just zeros and ones somewhere. The cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has filed the preliminary documents for its upcoming IPO just days after Bitcoin surge to its all-time high. The company's initial public offering has been rumored for months now, but has recently took the first steps towards making it a reality by filing its Forms S-1 with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In short, Coinbase explained that its documents still need to be reviewed by the SEC before going forward with its IPO. Coinbase Global Inc. today announced that it has oh my goodness, I can't talk today. Submitted a draft registration statement on Forms S-1 with the SEC. The Forms S-1 is expected to become effective after SEC completes its review process and subject to market and other conditions. According to Coinbase, the company files preliminary documents to the SEC, which will allow it to begin the process, and the cryptocurrency exchange will likely go public next year, but it's still unclear whether it plans to do so via an IPO or direct listing. So, just FYI. So we got PayPal jumping in. Coinbase is going to become a publicly listed company. A lot of institutions are gobbling up stuff, over the counter, OTC, and we're going to see this market continue to grow. As miners, it is our job to secure the network, but it is that project that we support's job to build it for the future. If they're stagnant, if the project you're supporting and mining on is stagnant and not growing, then it's going to fail. We're just trying to help secure the network. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help increase the security of their network as miners. If you're more than that and you're an ambassador and you want to promote a project, great, but not all projects are good. We just dropped below the 24K barrier again. Savage Mind says there's over $1 billion in ETH stake right now. Good deal. Imagine this. You're in a financial institution with a positive balance sheet. You want to get into crypto. Do you want to buy BTC with no return, or do you want to buy ETH, stake it, and earn right now? 12.3% APR. I think it's a 50-50 mix. Institutions would go for BTC because Bitcoin is the brand, right? That's what crypto. When you say cryptocurrency, number one thing that everybody thinks of, Bitcoin. But If they were smart, yeah, they would get into ETH. So me and Chancoin were talking about this in Discord. AMD special Radeon RX 6800 XT boost isn't as exclusive as we thought. We were talking about, smart access memory, SAM, and something like that being available or supported on other boards and other CPUs. And here, Asus has allegedly enabled AMD Smart Access Memory SAM on its first generation CPUs, according to a Reddit user. AMD's SAM feature facilitates the CPU having full access of GPU memory, lifting certain memory constraints and giving considerable performance gains of up to 10% in some games. Chancoin, were you able to figure this out? SAM currently only works on AMD Big Navi graphics cards in tandem with the 5000 series Ryzen CPUs on a 500 series motherboard, and it was believed to be a feature wouldn't come to older chips due to the way they handled a particular instruction, PDEP. However, not only has AMD confirmed that SAM doesn't depend on a PEDP, but some board manufacturers have recently extended support on AMD's 400 series and also Intel's 400 series motherboards. That's pretty cool. Matter of fact, let's go B550 Steel Legend. This is the board I have. I'm going to go to support. Going to go to BIOS. Let's see if they did anything different. No, they haven't done anything different. There is a patch though I need to download. I wonder what that patch does. Interesting. So you might not be out of luck. You might be able to get it. So now that we're seeing some motherboard vendors enabling support for SAM on first generation CPUs, Reddit user Merich98 claims that he got the feature to work with an AMD Ryzen 7 1700 CPU running on the Asus B450 Plus. Ooh, I have that board. Oh wait, no, it's a Tough Gaming. Excuse me. And running the latest version of the 2409 BIOS. 2409. I wonder what a GSA version that is. For example, with AMD SAM disabled, Doom ran at an average FPS of 125.6. Increase is just to 125.9 with SAM enabled. So it's not a big increase. Noted that the FPS increase of just 0.839% with the minimum FPS drop of by 6.2%. So slowly but surely, we might find out that depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you might be able to utilize SAM even if you do not have a latest generation Ryzen CPU. Alright, now to the giveaways, 12:30. What brought this on is Tech Radar has an article here, which all the links, all the articles are going to be in the description. Also in the description, if you want to jump in right now, is a link and instructions on what to do. If you go to this video on my channel, Best GPUs for Mining Crypto in 2020-2021, and comment the what you think is the best GPU. So you got to pick one GPU. What is the best GPU for mining in 2020-2021? Add the hashtag ETH 2021 and your Ethereum address, and I'm going to try to pick a winner. Unfortunately, I can't post it in a live chat because YouTube's being dumb. But if you go to that video, which is linked in the description, you can go ahead and enter, and we're getting ready to draw some winners. And I can see people coming and going because they're just here to get their winnings and leave, but guess what? That's how I defeat ya. Techman says, SAM is PCIe standard that has been around since 4th gen Intel. The motherboard manufacturer just need to release a BIOS update for it. Correct. It's like ray tracing. Ray tracing has been around. It's just Nvidia is developing GPUs with ray tracing specific cores, or cores that are focused on reflections and various geometry and assets in gaming. That's one of the reasons why the Xbox and speculation. All right, I'm not saying this is true. Cyberpunk 2077 not working so well on the consoles, right? What GPU is in those consoles, guys? AMD. I wouldn't be surprised. Cyberpunk has bugs and issues because it's a big game, and they had to do a lot of development, and that's why they delayed it, and they shouldn't have released it when there were still so many things to fix. But it's hard to find all the little things that you got to tweak and fix with a game that big. You have to literally play through and have a bunch of beta testers and stuff like that. But what if Nvidia was just like, hey, you know, we know that you're gonna have like ray tracing and all this other stuff in the game and assets. Let's make AMD look bad. Let's make it only work really good on 3000 series GPUs, but any AMD GPUs, it would run like crap. Let's do that. And now PlayStation is refunding people who ordered Cyberpunk, and really the best way to play the game. It's still buggy on the PC. It's a little bit more stable on the PC than it is on the console. I don't even have the game. This is all hearsay. So it would not surprise me if Nvidia has an edge, so to speak, over AMD because of that game is supporting ray tracing and DLSS. So anyways, back to the giveaway. Best graphics card at a glance. This is for gaming. And Tech Radar listed the top 10 GPUs. So they got the 3060 Ti, the 3080, the 3090, the RX 5600 XT, the 3070, the RX 5700, and then the RX 6800. Of course, the 2060 is in there, the 1660 OC and 1660 Ti. But what's funny about this is in my video, most of the cards that are good for gaming are in my video that are good for mining. So if you're a singular user and you don't have a bunch of farms and stuff like that, and you just got one system that you want to put a GPU in, but you also want to mine with it when you're not gaming, a 3060 Ti would probably be the best bet. But the problem is availability. All right, so what is our next option? Well, if you could get your hands on it at a decent price at MSRP, the RX 5700 from AMD. All right, well, the prices are going up, Chris. It's up to like $600-700. I'm not buying that card. Okay, all right. What would be the next best thing? Again, considering price and availability, I would say the 1660 Ti. I know it only has 6 gigs. It may not run every AAA title at 4K and all that stuff, but price to performance wise, the 1660 Ti and the 1660 Super are not only a decent gaming card, but a good mining card. So it's up to you. You make your own decision. Check out the video that I mentioned and provided my list of the top GPUs for mining. Compare it against the article that you see here. And if you're building a system for a family member, friend, son, daughter, cousin, whatever it is, and you want a good rig or a good system that can game as well as mine on its off time, check out the list and make your own comparisons and conclusions. But let's see what you guys put up. Let me go over here. I got to get my Ethereum wallet loaded up so I could send you guys some stuff, because Red Panda mining is going on in 25 minutes. I'll check live chat here in just a second. So Nefarious says he's not having problems on his PS5. Xbox One S is having problems on the older. No, PS5 is having issue, brother. A lot of PS5 people are having issues. If you're not great, I don't know, maybe you got a golden sample, but yeah, a lot of people are having issues. Alright, so I'm going to filter with hashtag ETH 2021. I hope you guys put that in there. Yeah, see, I don't see any comments. Is YouTube literally stopping all of it? So, Mikkel, how can I get... I hate YouTube when it does this. I really do. Mikkel, how can I make this work if YouTube's being such a word I don't want to say for fear of getting demonetized? Insert coin here. That's a well descriptive. I have to check out that description. Yeah, see, I can't see anybody's comments. This is messed up, man. And I know you guys told me that you were commenting. Needs approval. Okay, let's go check it out. I think Savage Mind did the same thing in the past, and YouTube was being super strict. All right, let's see here. Comments. Check to see if it needs to be approved, but held for review. Okay, there we go. 1, Techman, Max Voltage, PCB Guy, Rip Dog, Rabbit Mining, Vitalik, Crypto Noob Good, Chancoin. No, we will not email you. We do not care about your Telegram group or your WhatsApp group or any group because some guy helped you make money because it's a scam. Stop posting on my damn videos. God, I'm so tired of these guys. It blocked most of them, but they sometimes get through. All right, so I got everybody, Swamp7. I got everybody in here. Let me double check the other side real quick. Let you guys look at the chart. Sorry, you're just looking at a blank screen and me looking like an idiot. Alright, so I pretty much, I should have everybody. So let's get it again. Alright. So it says we have 10 unique commenters, and I filtered with hashtag 2021. So let's see what happens. Let me check live stream. So what Techman said? What did Techman say? Chancoin with the dub. All right, so you're the first victor. The first victor. All right, so I got your address copied, double checking everything. Okay, we got 5 of these to go. So you're getting $5 worth of Ethereum each. Picking 5 people. It's a little holiday gift from me to you. Okay, guys? Send transaction. Of course, I'm using the most secure thing that I can right now. Some cold storage. I'll put you guys back on the chart so you can watch the numbers while you're waiting on me. But it's been a good week for mining profits. I'm really enjoying it. And me and Savage, we're getting some beautiful weather down here in Florida. We're getting some beautiful weather. All right, double checking your address. All right, cool. Alright, so tell you what. I got a notepad here, so Chancoin got the first one, so you can't get it again. We're gonna pick the next winner. Rip Dog, good content. I'm currently building my 5700 XT on a 19 GPU rig. Nice, with the Asus B250. If you can get the 5700 XT, yeah, $400. The ROI isn't bad. Yep, the cards that are selling for big Navi MSRP are not worth it. They're not. I haven't built up my Team Green side on the rig yet, but depending on availability, I may either get a 3060 or 1660s. In my opinion, the 5700 XT is the top card. I agree with that statement. All right, good job. So Rip Dog number 2. I would say, you gentlemen, ladies or gentlemen, I know I do have a couple female subscribers. Hang tight. I got your addresses and everything. I will get it to you. PCB Guy. You know, out of 10 people, you guys aren't too bad. Let me go ahead and filter. And make sure there's nobody new coming in because I'm not reading live chat right now. But PCB guy, we got his address. He's number 3. 3060 Ti is his choice. All right, good choice. All right, so let's get it again. See if there's anybody new. Nope, still 10. So, hey, 5 winners out of 10. Your odds are 50-50, guys. PCB guy, you can't win again. Sorry. Not Chancoin. Not Chancoin. Rabid Mining. All right, Rabid Mining. Let's see here. He chooses the 3060 Ti. I'm rolling with the top-notch miner. Lower cost for decent PC builds. Then again, 20 gigabyte 2080s are coming out. Do you mean 20 gigabyte 3080s? Is that what you mean, Rabid Mining? Alright, got his address. Let's check live chat real quick. Alright, let's pick the next winner. Not Chancoin. Vitalik. Always here every morning. Just like Crypto Noob. Crypto Noob, man. If you don't win, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm really sorry. I still love you, though. Don't hate me. I appreciate you staying up late and hanging out with us. He picks the 3060 Ti. So right now, the 3060 Ti and the 5700 XT or the 5700 series is the top one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got my 5, and I already got Vitalik. So sweet. You guys are the winners. Chancoin, Ripdog, PCB Guy, Rabid Mining, and Vitalik might be in the top 5 people out of 10, which isn't bad. That's 50%. Sorry that the chances were high and you may have not won, but please continue to come back to the show. There's always good giveaways happening between Savage Mine, Red Panda Mining, DCA Adventure. So I know you guys support those guys as well. Everybody that's in this live stream really, supports the community as a whole, and we appreciate you. We really do. I thank you so much for hanging out with us and stuff like that. Last article before we get ready for Red Panda Mine to come on, and I will get the Ethereum to you guys. Believe I'm a man of my word, but I will show you actions speak louder than words. I just have a very secure way of doing it. There's a few steps, and rather than keeping you here, while I'm going through the steps, it's kind of boring, and I don't want to lose the viewership. So I will get it to you. I'm a man of my word. I'll do it as soon as possible. So this one says Nvidia announces GeForce RTX event for January 12th. So CES 2021, GeForce RTX 3060, not the Ti, RTX 30 mobile GPUs are expected. Here's why. Oh, thank you, TechMan. Appreciate the $5. Appreciate it very much. Any little bit helps. And I do take the funds that I make from monetization and stuff like that and put it towards content for the show. Matter of fact, I do have something coming up for you guys. So I'm off this upcoming week, and I mean off. So I'm not on call for one thing or another, and that's what inconveniences me when I do live streams, is I'm having to monitor my work channels while trying to perform for you guys, and I don't like performing when I'm distracted. If you're performing while distracted with your significant other, then you're messing up. But anyways, the point being, Monday, I do have something coming for you guys. So if you are up, it might be around this time or 11 a.m. my time, but it's going to be a long stream. So it might be something that you might check back in every once in a while, but it's something very interesting that I want to do. Consider it the gamer's nexus of mining. Let's just say that. We're going to be doing something similar, but I like to be considered, I would like to be, it would be an honor, to be considered the gamer's nexus of mining, because I like going deep dives. Like the only other person that does as deep as myself is Bitsby Trippin'. Like he gets very nitty gritty into the code, but I'm more or less the hardware, and he gets nitty gritty into the hardware as well. There's a few other people, but I really like hardware. What I would like to do is some hardware mods, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. Like shunt mods and stuff like that, and shunt mods wouldn't really help us in mining. So to speak. It really depends on the GPU, but it really wouldn't help us. But yeah, stay tuned for Monday. Gonna have another live stream. I hope you guys join me. It's gonna be very interesting. Savage Mind, you didn't have to, man. I can't perform with people. I can't perform with people watching. No, I mean like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you're distracted, if you're watching a TV show or focusing on what are my Ethereum profits while trying to perform with your significant other, it's going to mess up your game. So don't do that. That's what I was trying to say. Oh my goodness. Get out of here. All right. So CES is coming up on January 12th, 2021. We're going to have a number of people covering the event, but I don't think it's a physical event. So we're probably going to have like online, and you know, we're probably going to get teased with the 3080 actually that Rapid Mining, I believe it was you, the 3080 20 gig. We're probably going to get teased by that. We're probably going to get the 3060 non-TI. We're going to see some mobile GPUs at a 3000 series, which is going to be pretty good. What I'm concerned about with the mobile GPUs, though, is the heat of the GDDR6X on the higher end models, right? Like the 3080, 3090. I doubt we're going to have a mobile 3090. I doubt it. 3080 maybe. 3070 more than likely. The memory, though, is still going to be hot. So I'm thinking these laptops are going to be about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick, when most laptops, at least nowadays, are trying to get slimmer and slimmer. So it's going to be very interesting. But, you know, the company hinted that the RTX 3060 is in line for a release, which is supposedly to come in 2 6 gigabytes and 12 gigabyte variants. Could you imagine getting a 3060 at 12 with 12 gigabytes of memory? That would be sick. That would be sick. We also have the 3070 Ti along with the RTX 3080 Ti, which is possibly the 20 gigabyte variant that Rapid Mining was talking about. As far as the laptops, and I'm down here, the RTX 3000 series GPUs may not all be available to order in Q2 of 2021, but Nvidia and its partners may showcase them in January 12th event. Based on multiple leaks in the last few months, Nvidia plans to release mobile versions of the RTX 3080, 3070, and 3060 with Max P and Max Q SKUs available for different cards. However, Nvidia will continue to offer the GTX 1650 Ti and GTX 1660 Ti for entry-level gaming laptops, which is what I have. The 1660 Ti and the Acer Helios Pro or Acer Helios 300 laptop is perfectly capable system. I edit on that system. I game on that system. Is perfectly capable. Matter of fact, the stream that's coming up Monday, I used that laptop to film everything because we can't be on the main system if I'm working physically on the main system. So I use all that to capture everything, and it does a great job. The fans do ramp up a little bit more. It can be a little bit annoying, but it's a really good laptop. Actually, I want to see how much it costs now. Acer Predator Helios 300. There's certain models. There's different models, but let me see which one. See, they already have the 10 series, and I'm still in the 9 series. 9, here we go. Which one is it? So it's basically this one, but without the RGB laptop. Let's see how much that one is now. Ooh. Man, maybe I should sell mine. So it was not $1,800. It was like $1,100, barely $1,100, 1080, something like that. So I got a pretty good deal on it. But yeah, that laptop is a beast and can handle a lot of stuff. Let me go ahead and check out. Let's go back to YouTube real quick. Not Yahoo, you stupid thing. Let's go back to YouTube real quick. I'm at 2.54K subscribers, guys. By the way, when we do hit the 5K barrier, which is quite some ways away, I'm not expecting it anytime soon, but there's going to be another giveaway. So we got plenty of time to prepare, but once we hit the 5K barrier, I would certainly be more than happy to do another giveaway for you guys. It might be a physical product. It might be electronical. Last giveaway was just us mining. A few of the crypto YouTubers got involved. Nefarious, Red Panda. We were mining Ethereum for a particular winner, which was still profitable for them. But we'll see what happens when we get closer to that 5K barrier. But it would be nice to breach that area. I don't often do live streams. I would like to do more live streams. I just don't have the time. And then when 2021 comes up, I'm going to be super busy with work that I won't be able to live stream as much. I'll still have my Saturday Caffeine and Crypto. If you're new, we do this every Saturday morning. Sometimes I have a guest with me. Sometimes I don't. Matter of fact, speaking of which, Crypto Mikkel, Savage Mind, if you guys would like to join me for next Saturday and you're available because it is the December 26th after Christmas Day, I would like to do a holiday special. If you two gentlemen are interested, let me know. But I know some of us are getting out of town, might go traveling. It's really up in the air. I say I'm doing a live stream, but if my wife came into the live stream right now and said, hey, by the way, we're not going to be in town, then I'd be SOL. I might do like a phone live stream, but it wouldn't be very good. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. That's exactly, you know, I can get two NOS cans, Vitalik, my Buterin. I could get 2 of these for $5, so that's perfect. That's perfect. I appreciate it. Nefarious? Yeah, but you're always busy too, sir. Nefarious is, you're more than welcome to come, but every time I invite you, you wind up having some client do something silly and then they have to fix it up. Red Panda might just join in with us right now while we got 5 minutes. Red Panda, if you're in here or listening, you can't post links in live stream anymore. It's really weird. Let's see. So that's the link to Red Panda's video. But when I click it, it doesn't work. It's very weird. Yeah, it sucks that YouTube takes so much, and I wish Amazon would increase the amount, because in all my videos in the description, you can find parts of my recommended mining crypto mining parts, but the amount of profit that we actually make off of that is not very much compared to other products available on Amazon. So I really wish they would do more. But yeah, the YouTube takes a big cut, and then Amazon affiliate links take a big cut as well. But I appreciate everybody participating in the giveaway. I'm sorry YouTube's making it hard for all of us to do what we normally do. So we have to find out a different way. But we'll see how things go. I appreciate everybody hanging out with me today. Let's keep an eye on the chart. We're getting ready for Red Panda Mine to be getting in shortly. We've got about 5 minutes, probably 7 minutes, because he usually runs a little bit behind. But I expect he'll be available here shortly. Let's look at profits real quick. I'm not mining to this pool anymore, but let's check it out. So my one rig, what was happening, so if you look here, look how many hours this was. So I stopped mining for quite a few days. Or I just got paid out. I didn't stop mining, but I just got paid out on that Sunday, that 0.1. But if you look here, look at the hours. 57.8, 57.4, 57.4, and then this is when Bitcoin started to pump into the 20Ks. And watch what happens when it broke that 20K barrier on the 16th thereabouts. Watch what happened. It only took 42 hours to hit my payout, 37 hours to hit my payout, 33.6 hours to hit my payout. And if I continued mining on this particular pool, the next time you would have seen was like 30 hours or less. So as profits increase, we are certainly getting paid out faster when mining Ethereum. And that's why Ethereum is kind of king right now. Technically, it is king. I mean, because what else can you do? What else can you mine and make the profits you would mining Ethereum? It's definitely not Octopus, even though it says it. It's definitely not Octopus, even though NiceHash has it on there, or What to Mine has it on there. It's pretty much Ethereum. Veal has been showing up every now and then, lagging every now and then as well. I mean, you can make 300 a day, kind of like back in the day with Ravencoin. You can make like 300 a day with 1660 Ti's. But Ethereum to me is king. I know that this cryptocurrency is going to go up in value. It may not be right this second. It may not be this week. It may not be this month, but it will go up in value. So to me, Ethereum is the most profitable coin to mine because it's got a good development. I know it's going to be around. It's got dApps. They're always constantly progressing as a whole. The Ethereum community and the developers are always progressing as a whole. Whereas Conflux rubbed me the wrong way. I never mined Conflux. I never got involved. I noticed that Octopus was showing up as an algorithm to mine as far as nice hash, but I never really got involved. And then, you know, I saw that drama on Twitter and stuff like that. And any project that doesn't support miners, and I mean GPU miners, or just acts like there's, you know, GPU miners are spoiled brats, I don't really like that. Because, you know, yeah, granted, you can have a bunch of ASICs on there and they're called miners as well, but the GPU miners is the little guys. It's the small businesses, right? So GPU miners, even though most of them can have like a big warehouse or whatever, 9 times out of 10, the GPU miners that are supporting your network are at-home miners or have like 2 locations or whatever. They're not super big, so they're small to mid-size. Those people are what I would consider the small business. And what makes the economy good now is small businesses, right? You should be buying from your local businesses wherever you live, supporting your local businesses, because the big guys, they'll be fine if they lost a couple $1 million, no problem. The small businesses won't be. And this pandemic has impacted small businesses a lot. So even though I understand it is profitable to mine CFX, I will not support it. I may test it, which I did. I did do some testing on Reddit of the Conflux performance, or mining Octopus specifically, but I don't know, man. They just rub me the wrong way, and they don't care about me, and I really don't care about them. But if you're interested to see how the RTX 3080 and 3060 Ti performed when mining Conflux or this algo, I tested T-Rex miner, MB miner, and so on and so forth. You can find me under Reddit under CMVJax. That's my name, and I always post data in that. But to me, you know, conceal. Actually, let's see something here. There's other projects that you can support, but right now Ethereum is king. If you're worried about profits and what you mine today, you know, later on down the road is going to be bringing you some net positive profits, then Ethereum is the best thing to choose. Yep, CCX is there, Swap is there, Fero's there, Ravencoin's there, BitTube Cash, Beam, they're all profitable, but the king to me is Ethereum right now. That's just the way I feel. Alright guys, you head over to Red Panda Mining. I have him muted so I don't bug you guys. You guys take care. Let him know I sent you over there, but he knows. He knows. We always do this before his show. And I'll see you guys next Saturday for the holiday special. Gentlemen, Nefarious, Mikkel, Savage, hit me up in Discord. Let me know if you want to join next Saturday for the live stream. And I'll see you guys around. Appreciate you hanging out. And sorry if I got a little political at the end there. I don't like to involve politics. 3 things. Football, religion, and politics. Those usually break up stir up an argument of some type, and I try to avoid that. But anyways, take care. Appreciate your time, guys. Appreciate the donations. Vitalik, Savage, Techman, you guys take care. I'll see you around later on today. And if not, stay tuned. Monday's live stream. All right, guys? Appreciate it.